What's up, everyone? My name is Jack Murphy, and this is the 25th monthly dividend update. This is March 2024, and in this video, I'm going over what stocks I bought, my best and worst performers, and what stocks have been paying me dividends. Let's get right into the portfolio's performance to start us off. If we look for the month of March, I had about a 4.08% return, which outperformed all three major index. The first time in a while I've done that, so that was pretty good. Got almost $250 of capital gains in the month of March, so that is pretty good, plus the dividend income, which I'm blurring out for now, and that caused the portfolio to go up quite a bit, plus the money I contributed, so we're doing pretty well there. But now let's look at the individual stocks in the portfolio and look at the three best and worst ones. So starting off with the three worst performers was Starbucks at a negative 2.40% return. Then we had Johnson & Johnson, which is at a negative 2.62% return. And the worst performer for the month was Apple at a negative 5.11% return. Three best stocks did pretty well, the third best being Altria Group at a positive 6.34% return. Then we had JP Morgan Chase as the second best stock at a positive 7.23% return. Then blowing out the competition, Target had a positive 17.04% return. And like I said before, the whole portfolio went up about 4.08%. If we look over my contributions, I kept it pretty simple. Did not spend more than I contributed this month, where I got $50 of realty income, $50 of Altria Group, $50 of Johnson & Johnson, and $50 of Apple. So kept it pretty consistent there. Some of those stocks did bad, but overall those are some of the worst performing stocks in my portfolio. So that's why I chose to dollar cost average into them. But yeah, we still have almost $400 in cash sitting in the account. Still waiting for a good opportunity, I feel, to go and spend the extra money. But for now, we didn't go too crazy with it. So those were the contributions. That brings us to the dividend payments. This month I had 11 dividend payments. The first one was on March 5th from Johnson & Johnson, where I got $1.93. Then the next day I got a payment from JEPI, $1.81. The next payment I got was on March 11th from Target, where I got $2.26. On the 12th, I got $2.78 from 3M. On the 15th, I got two dividend payments. I got my first Main Street Capital payment, which was $1.20. And then I got my monthly realty income payment, which was $2.24. On the 20th, I got 66 cents from BYM, my lowest payment of the month. On the 25th, I got a payment from SCHD, where it was $6.72. Then I got $1.22 from Texas Roadhouse. And on March 27th, I got my last three dividend payments. The first one was from VIG, where I got 77 cents. And the last dividend payment was $1.50 from Main Street Capital, again, in the form of a special dividend payment. That brings my total dividend payments for the month of March to $23.09. Overall, pretty good month. The new average for the next 12 months is $20.57. And the new 12-month total, if I were to not add any money to the account, would be $246.81. If we look back at March of 2023, I got $13.87. Comparing that to this month, I got a 66% increase in dividend payments since last year. So that is pretty good in my opinion. But that's all there is to say about dividend payments for this month. So let's move on to what I'm looking forward to in April. So for the month of April, my dividend payments are looking like, on the 1st, I'm going to get paid from Pepsi and UGI. Then on the 4th, I'm going to get paid from JEPI. On the 14th, I'm going to get paid from Main Street Capital. And the 15th, I'm going to get paid from Realty Income. And then at the end of the month, I'm going to get my last two dividend payments. The first one from JP Morgan and the last one from Altria Group. Pretty boring month, it looks like. So I'm not going to expect anything crazy from that. Market has been doing pretty well consistently for the last few months, so I don't know if there is going to be a crazy opportunity to spend all that extra cash I have for dividend stocks, but we'll keep looking. But just try to find more good stocks to dollar cost average into. Probably going to just keep dollar cost averaging into the stocks in my portfolio already. So yeah, that's all really there is to say. Sorry it was a short video. Not too much happens this month besides the 2-year anniversary of the dividend account. I made a whole video about that if you want to check it out here. But yeah, that was a cool video. Other than that, not really much happens. Hopefully April something fun happens for the dividend portfolio that I can talk about. But that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.